Hey guys, so this is my dynamic project for CAT 336. Uh, my website's called CaryShred.com. It is supposed to be a fitness website where clients can put uh, their stats of how much they weigh, how much they can lift and stuff. It was originally going to be like a way for trainers to be able to like handle clients, but wasn't able to get to the trainers part. But so here we can register. Uh, let's just use Brother Robinson's name. Age. uh, I don't know Brother Robinson's age, but I'll take a wild guess. 45. He looks pretty young to me. Let's just put in a random email. Wait, let me remember that so I don't forget it. Also, let's just test to see if there is validation. Yeah, you must enter everything in order for it to let you register. Oops. Let me type in the password again. Okay, so this is the login screen. It won't let you log in if you don't put in the correct credentials. So let's put in the password. Alright, so this is the home page. It displays all your stats, but obviously since we just registered, we don't have anything put in yet. So you go to add stats. I'm not going to try to guess any of this because I don't want to offend anyone or offend Brother Robertson. But I'm just going to put in whatever comes up. So yeah, this is putting in all the information for yourself. And then you add. Stats have been added. You can add them at any time. So say you accidentally wrote the wrong thing, you can always change it, but it won't let you do it on this page because it only lets you add them once, but you can go to the edit stats page and edit them there. So that's what you do. Edit, and then it will edit it. Let's say you want to see if letters would go in. It would not let you do that. It has to be numbers. You edit. So see, you go to home. It will display everything you entered. Another thing you can do is you can also clear everything. So if you press clear, it will ask you if you want to clear it just to make sure. Sure you want to delete all your stats. If you click yes or no, it will just take you back to the edit stats page. And if you click yes, it will delete everything, all your stats from there. You can see they're gone. You can always add them back in if you accidentally delete them. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can log out. And then if you want to log in again, just go here. And there you go. So here is some of my code. Let's see. This is my index page. So here it just starts session stuff. And then right here, it brings in the action from all the other pages, and then I used a switch to trigger all the actions. Over here, register it. Gets all the inputs and registers the person. Yeah, I have a ton of cases, so I'm not going to go over all of them. But then it connects with the model. Here's some of the functions. This one's to add the member, insert into client info. This one is to get the user by email. This one's to get their client ID. This one adds the stats. This one gets the stats. This one will edit them or update. And this last one will delete all the stats. Let's see what other code should I show. But here's the home view. So right here it checks to see if the person is logged in or not, and if they're not logged in, it will take them to the login page. And then here it just displays errors and messages. And then right here it just checks if any of these inputs are in, and if it does, it will echo them. If it doesn't, then they'll just be empty. Yeah, that's pretty much all the code. Well, okay, let's show a form really quick. Let's do that stats. So right here, just where people will input their stats. So it will take KD of the input and carry it to the index, and then the index will take care of everything else. Yeah, so let's look at my proposal. So the proposal, the project didn't really go as I planned in the proposal, because in the proposal I was planning on having trainers. I totally took that out, just kept it to the user part of it. And trainers would have been kind of like an admin kind of thing, but I decided it'd be better just to keep it to users. So obviously some of the page names aren't the same. That doesn't really matter. But it does include all 4 CRUD processes, and it also validates with HTML and CSS. It does validate inputs and stuff too. I use an index and it processes everything, and then I also have a model. I only have 1, not 2, like I said here. I only have the client model, not a trainer. And obviously I have the database too, because it's how it connects to the database. So for the view, I decided to split them up into a form part, just to keep it separate from the actual view. So the view only contained the home page. Then the forms was where I had all the add stats, edit stats, and register and all that. And my diagram was completely different than how I actually went. So I took out the trainers table, and then I split the clients table in half. So one of the clients table was just their information, so it'd be like first name, last name, age, email, and age. I think. Oh, I did age. Yeah, I was one of the tables, and the other table had all their stats, like weight, their goal weight, their bench and squat and deadlift. So yeah, that's how I did it, and that is my dynamic project. I hope you guys liked it. You can check it out. It's on CaryShred.com. I did it on localhost because optics is really, really bad. And the Wi-Fi literally goes off like every couple minutes, and it's super annoying. So I figured it would be a lot easier just doing it on my local host. But yeah, thank you guys.